Welcome back everyone. In this section we'll learn about brand goals. Brand goals are commonly known as the mission and vision of a brand. This is probably the most important element in business. However, there is always a bit of confusion around these terms. Hence, to simplify, the mission is the short-term goals of a brand while the vision is the long-term goals of a brand. Now the confusion arises is how a brand vision is different from a brand purpose. A brand purpose can be part of the vision statement, but they're never the same thing. A brand purpose is the reason for existence, while a vision statement is the best possible scenario for a brand. So let's begin. A mission statement is the short-term goals of a company. These are immediate goals and targets that you need to hit to execute your vision. A mission statement consists of three elements. What does the company do? Whom does the company serve? And how does the company serve them? A mission statement should be more inclined to the present customer needs and how they are meeting those needs. Tesla is currently building electric cars, but Elon Musk says that our top-tier electric cars are just a proof of concept to test out his battery. It can be observed that Tesla is aggressively focusing on renewable energy with their Tesla solar roof, solar panels and Powerwall renewable energy integration panel power backup. Hence it can be seen that Tesla is not merely a car company, it is a renewable energy company and the cars are just one of its products. Hence the short-term goal for Tesla is to create the best electric cars and change the way people drive. The long-term goal is much broader, which is sustainability of the humankind. Most millennials are determined to reduce their carbon footprint and prefer to live a lifestyle that benefits the environment. Hence one can deduce that Tesla is on the right track to achieve its goal of sustainability. The difference between your mission and your vision is how you decide to scale your company and up to what extent. A vision statement is the long-term goal of a company. The brand vision is a combination of the brand's aspirations and the brand's desired future. A vision statement tells us where a brand is going and what would be its best possible future. This motivates your employees to work for you with their blood, sweat and tears because their beliefs align with your brand's vision. To get ideas for a vision statement, one must focus on answering the following questions clearly. Where do you see the company in the next 15 years? What is the best possible scenario for the company? What are your aspirations for your brand? The vision statement is a public statement of the company and most companies specify it on their webpage. Hence, to appeal to the public, a vision statement must have the following characteristics, which are: Number 1. Abstract. An effective vision statement sets an abstract yet challenging goal. The goal should not be stated too concretely, for example to make the best sports products in the world, but rather at a high level of abstraction, example to bring inspiration and innovation to every athlete in the world. This is the vision statement for Nike, a brand that manufactures and sells sports clothing and equipment. But that is not the vision statement of Nike, as the statement inspires only factory workers to work hard. However, when Nike states its vision statement to bring inspiration and innovation to every athlete in the world, this is something everyone can support, as this allows the vision statement to be relevant to all employees, thus permitting it to guide their daily actions and decisions. Abstractness in a vision statement also provides flexibility if a company needs to pivot and change its goals. Number 2. Concise. A vision statement should not be too long or too short. A vision statement is something you want all your employees and customers to remember, and it is your job to make it easy to remember. Hence, a vision statement should not be more than 35 words or 2 to 3 sentences. Number 3. Clear. The vision statement should be easy to understand and should clarify the direction the brand is going into. Hence, laying out a plan for the next 15 years is always a great way to start. Number 4. Purpose-driven. A vision statement should reflect the brand purpose and the why of the brand, as we talked about it previously. Since a brand statement is purpose-driven, most people often get confused between the brand vision and the brand purpose. Number 5. Unique. A brand vision has to be differentiated and unique from any other brand in the market. This differentiation should be clearly reflected in the vision statement. Number 6. Inspirational. A brand statement should inspire your employees to work hard. It should appeal and attract new customers and should keep your existing customers happy and loyal. As we mentioned before, a vision statement is composed of the brand's aspirations and future desires. Let us analyze the following vision statements and identify the brand aspirations and future desires. Let us consider Amazon, whose vision statement is to be the Earth's most customer-centric company, where customers can find and discover anything they want to buy online. In this vision statement, the brand Amazon wishes their customers to be able to discover anything they want to buy online is their brand aspiration, while their desired future is to be Earth's most customer-centric company. Now let's consider TEDx, whose vision statement is, "We believe passionately in the power of ideas to change attitudes and lives, and ultimately the world." The brand's aspiration is to use the power of ideas to change attitude and lives. However, the brand's desired future is changing the world. Now let's consider one of the giants of India, that is Tata. The Tata Group's vision statement is to be the most reliable global network for customers and suppliers that delivers value through products and services. Hence, it can be seen the brand aspirations of Tata is to deliver value through their products and services, and their desired future is to become the most reliable global network for customers and suppliers. I hope you have understood the importance of brand goals and have also learned how to write a vision statement for your brand. In the next video, we'll learn about brand values and how they shape the company's culture. Thank you and keep hustling.